Welcome to the next edition of 2M Lingo tutorials. In this video, we will first be looking at how to create a scheduled video remote interpreting session. Then we will look at how to join the video remote interpreting room and how you can interact with your interpreter. But before we get to that, let's just look back at how to create or change an existing appointment into a VRI appointment. In the Create Appointment window, find the Service Delivery drop-down list. From the drop-down list, select Scheduled Video Interpreting. Check your other parameters such as the language pair and the date and time. Make adjustments as may be necessary. In this example, we will change the time from 3 p.m. to 2:40 p.m. When you have finished updating or setting your details of your appointment, click the Save button. Acknowledge that a new appointment has been created, and then you can close the Appointment Viewer window. Moving on, let's look at how to enter the VRI room just before the appointment. We have our Mandarin interpreting session scheduled for a 2:40 p.m. start. You can log into the system anytime to view your appointment and your reports, but if you have a scheduled VRI or telephone interpreting session lined up, you must log in ideally before the appointment time. When you click on the microphone icon in the top right, a window will pop up in which you can view your scheduled video or telephone appointments by clicking on the Schedule tab. You can immediately see your scheduled appointments, complete with some basic information. You can see the name of your interpreter, the date and time of the appointment. In this case, it is today, 2:40 p.m., and the language pair, which is Mandarin, English, in this example. As you can see, 7 minutes before the scheduled time, the parties to the session can join the appointment. When the time is right, the view will change, giving you the option to join the room. When you click the Join button, in the new pop-up window, you will be able to see the appointment details and the participants that are already in the room. There is also a push notification popping up reminding you that you can join the room 7 minutes prior to the appointment. As you can see, at this stage, the Begin Call button is still disabled. The reason for this is that the interpreter has not yet joined the room. Once this happens, you will also be able to see the interpreter's name pop up in the video call window, and the Begin Call button becomes active. To make the call and connect to the interpreter, please click on the Begin Call button and wait for the connection to be established. When the connection has been established, you will be able to see your courtroom camera, if there is one, and shortly afterwards, you will be able to see and hear the interpreter. You can change the screen size to full screen. You can toggle between portrait and landscape. You also have the option of writing to the interpreter in case you have audio issues and you need to communicate something to your interpreter. At the end of the session, just click the End Call button, confirm on the next window, and leave the room to sign out of the session completely. The status of the appointment will change from confirmed to completed, and you will be able to view the appointment details under the Insight module button.